Hi, my name is Jacqueline Morosco of Spirited Practice, and today is day 4 of Healing Sounds for You and the Planet. And I'd like to chant a chant that's been around for quite some time. It's in the Vedas, and it is, I've heard it chanted in many different ways, but I'd like to chant the Vedic version for you today. So take a nice deep breath, get yourself in your body. Om Tatsaviturvarenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yonaha Prachodayate. Om Savitur Varenyam Bargaha Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yaha Yonaha Naha Prachodayate. Om Tatsavitur Varenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yonaha Prachodayate. Om Savitur Varenyam Bargaha Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yaha Yonaha Naha Prachodayate. So I did the samhita, which is one line, which kind of says the whole thing, and then I moved into the krama, which says the first syllable and the second, and then the second and the third, and the third and the fourth. And we do this to help train the mind. And you probably noticed I was using my notes trying to do it well for you. But as with everything that we're doing here, just notice how it makes you feel, right? Take a nice deep breath. And the Gayatri can be the sun. The way that I like to translate it is, it's a call out to the universe to guide me through my day to do what it is that I'm meant to be doing while I'm here, which I think right now on our planet is a time for all of us to look at that. What do I want to be? What am I supposed to be doing? Why am I here right now? Right? And I use sound to help me to discover, uncover, excavate those things, and to move the energy in my body. So that's why I'm always talking about how does this make you feel, because that's a big part of it. And if you like what you're hearing, subscribe, stick with me. As I've said before, I don't know how long I'll do this, but I love chanting and I love sharing it with people. And if you'd like to work with me privately, that's a possibility as well. So have an awesome, awesome day. And know that what I'm teaching you, like, it's not perfect, and that's okay. I could do lots of takes and try to get it perfect, which I thought about doing. But really, what I want to do is offer you sound in hopes that you might feel a little better. Maybe you'll get a little chuckle. Maybe you'll feel energy in your body. Maybe you'll feel more connected to yourself and or the planet or people in your lives. There are many, many benefits that can come from chanting. And I've been doing it for a long time, and I've definitely been able to experience many of the benefits. And for me, the changes come with repeated use, right? Repeated use of a mantra. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here with me. Subscribe, or, check me out on Facebook or my website. And Jacqueline Morasco, Spirited Practice. Namaste.